Well, hello everyone. This is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Today I thought I'd put on another little train video of a train passing by. On my way to work, I got to capture another train going by. So I hope you enjoy this relaxing train video of the train going by. Till then, we will try to put on another video of a train model. And I'm traveling to Maryland tomorrow to do some more filming, and that's going to be a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what I'm filming down there, but you'll see when I put the videos on. So it'll be a big surprise. So stay tuned for the travel adventures this weekend and another train model video. Till then, this is Uncle Jimmy. Model on.